Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Cooking with Tammy, and today I'm coming to you with another recipe, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make my delicious Southwestern home fries with sausages, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, to start we're going to be using cleaned diced potatoes, and we're going to add some olive oil, which is going to help the ingredients to stick to these potatoes. We're also going to add a pinch of salt, ground black pepper, a little adobo, onion powder, and garlic powder. And all of the seasonings that I'm adding, guys, is to one's liking as far as like the amount and stuff. And it wouldn't be Southwestern if we didn't add the Cajun seasoning and paprika. As well as a little cayenne pepper. Gotta get that kick. With the cayenne pepper, I suggest you go lightly because it's really spicy. I'm also going to add my Montreal chicken seasoning and a little accent, aka flavor enhancer, aka MSG. Now, for those of us who don't use MSG, totally up to you, but I will tell you this, Sazon, as well as other seasonings that we use, does contain MSG. Not to mention, when you eat out a lot, it could be your favorite franchise, guys, not to burst your bubble, they use MSG, and that's what kicks up the flavor a notch, and that's what keeps us coming back. All right, we're gonna combine everything together. Make sure it's well combined. I know you guys are probably like, whoa, that's a lot of mixing. But in this case, the more mixing is the better our Southwestern home fries is gonna be. So let's get to mixing, guys. Using a hot skillet, we're going to add some oil and we're going to fry these potatoes up. Now here's the thing, guys. Once we add those potatoes to the pan, we want the potatoes to kind of like fry. That's the thing with home fries. You want the heat, you want it to be hot enough so the potatoes fry. And you're not going to disturb it too much by tossing and turning it at first. After a couple minutes, then we're going to rotate it. We're going to obviously turn the potatoes over, if that makes sense. Just watch the tutorial. You're going to see everything that I'm doing, guys. I got you. Don't worry. All right, in a separate pan, we're going to brown our sausages. And now getting back to our home fries. If you look carefully, you can see like the edges started to like crisp up and turn brown. At this point in time, we're gonna rotate the potatoes and allow the same browning process to take place on the other side. We're going to add our diced onions, as well as our diced green bell peppers. We're going to give everything a good mix to make sure everything is well combined. Lower the heat, and we're going to cover it down. Now, covering it down is what's going to help to allow the potatoes to kind of have like somewhat of a steam effect, causing the potatoes to get soft, if that makes sense, but not too soft. At this point in time, you guys could do a taste test, see whether or not if you need to add some more seasoning. I know for me, I decided to add a little Montreal chicken seasoning. I make this recipe for my family all the time, and boy, do they love it. This is definitely a family favorite. It goes so well, especially on a Sunday when we're having brunch. What? Delicious. Now that our sausages are finished frying, guys, we're going to add it to our delicious Southwestern home fries. We're going to give everything a final mix, and that's it. Now, how beautiful is this, guys? Imagine waking up and being presented with something that looks this good, and not only looks good, but tastes good as well, guys. Anyway, as always, thanks to Cooking with Tammy. I had a lot of fun creating this recipe. And with that being said, catch you in the next video. Enjoy.